The USS Nimitz was headed to drills in the Pacific, but just days ago, the map changed. Now it's cutting through the ocean toward the Middle East. This isn't just a warship, it's a mobile airbase built to project dominance. Fueled by a nuclear core, the Nimitz can disappear into the ocean and stay there. On board are over 60 fighter jets, plus an operations hub more advanced than some nation-states. It doesn't sail alone. It brings an armored entourage, destroyers, frigates, and attack subs. Nimitz has appeared in nearly every U.S. war for 40 years, from the Gulf to Afghanistan and beyond. Now it's entering one of the most volatile regions in the world as tensions between Iran and Israel continue to escalate. But with weapons, influence, and perception all in play, is this deployment a deterrent or the start of something bigger?